Yo, what's good guys? This is Lance here. So today in this video, I'm in the turtle cage right now. And you can see this. This turtle name is called African spurred tortoise. You can see this rock hard shells. And about this turtle, the scota, to be known as the African spurred tortoise, is the third largest tortoise species in the world, reaching weights of over 200 pounds. They literally grow quickly when they're young. Now look how, oh my days.
Few moments later.
So guys, right now I'm feeding this leaf to this turtle. Oh, why is this dude so scared? Oh my, it's okay. It's okay.
Huwag mong ilayo, Lance. Hayaan mo. Ayan. Ilagay mo na lang sa baba.
There. Now he's enjoying his appetite. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, peace out.